Hello guys, in this video I'm going to solve this sabis online quiz from grade 7 in choueifat school mathematics. So let's get started. Select the correct option. So first question, the equation of the line passing through the points here, the given points. So first step, we write the equation of the straight line. The equation of any straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So that's the formula for the equation of any straight line. Now, the slope of the line has this formula, m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now you plug the points in the equation. 10 minus 3 divided by 1 minus 0. This will be 7. Now you plug 7 in the equation here. So you get, and then you plug the point in the equation. The given point is 0, 3, 1, 10. So if you do that, you get, you choose one of the points. So you have y minus 10 is equal to 7 times x minus 1. Then if you simplify this equation, you get y is equal to 7x minus 7. And if you take this 10 to the other side, you get here plus 10. Final answer will be y is equal to 7x plus 3. That is the final answer. Let's see now next question. Fill in the blanks the correct numbers. The equation passing through the point 7, negative 3, having slope negative 5. So we got another form of the equation, y equal mx plus c. This is the equation of any straight line. So the slope here is given to us negative 5. And the point 7, negative 3, we can plug in this equation, or we can choose the other one, which is easier. Let's choose the other one. Y minus y1, which is minus 3 here, is equal to the slope, which is negative 5, times x minus 7. Now, if you simplify that equation, y plus 3 is equal to negative 7, negative 5x plus 35, which means you write here negative 5 and you write here 3, and that is the answer. Next question, what's the value of b in the equation in the line that crosses the y-axis b units above origin? In order to find the value of b, we make y subject of the equation. So we start this way. 4y is equal to negative 3x plus 24. Then divide by 4 all sides. So divide by 4 here, by 4 here, and by 4 here. Cancel 4 and 4. You get y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 6. So the y-intercept here is 6. We write here 6. The y-intercept, we write it in this position, where it crosses the y-axis. Next question. What whole number is equal to this number? So here you write it this way. 4 times 5 to the power of 2. And this 4 times 25, which is 100. So the answer is 100. Next question. Refer to the diagram given that the two polygons are similar. What's the value of x? First of all, we write the ratio of similarity. So let's write x over 13. This over this is equal to 20 over 10. You can choose any two sides. So I've chosen this and this. Now cross multiply to find the answer. You can cancel here 0 and 0. Then you cross multiply and you get x equal 13 times 2, 26. So the answer is 26. Next question. Given triangle KLM is similar triangle K prime, L prime, M prime, and you are given some length. Let's draw the triangle. Here you have the triangle, first one and second one. Two triangles, K, L, M. That's first triangle. Second one, K prime, L prime, M prime. You are given KL 12. So here you have 12. And LM 24. So here you have 24. And KL prime, K prime, L prime is 30. So here it is 30. So this 30. Find L prime, M prime, which means find x. You can easily say that x over 24 is equal to x over 24, 30 over 12. Then you cross multiply to find the answer. So if you multiply both sides of the equation by 24, you get x is equal to 30 over 12 times 24. Cancel 24 and 12. You get 2. 30 times 2, 60. So final answer is 60. Next question. Refer to the diagram. How many lines of symmetry does the shaded figure have? It has only one line of symmetry, which is here. So answer is one line of symmetry. Next question. Which of the following shapes has only one or more lines of symmetry? Only one or more lines of symmetry. Okay. Here, this shape has two lines of symmetry, or 3, 4 lines of symmetry. And this shape has one line of symmetry, while these two shapes have no lines of symmetry. Next question. What's the value of x in this diagram? We are given that BE bisect the angle. BE bisect DBC. BE bisect DBC. This means here you also have x. Now you can form an equation. 64 plus x is equal to 180. Then 2x is equal to 180 minus 64. Then you divide both sides by 2 here and 2 here. You get the value of x, which is very easy. Next one. Here, similarity. Again, similarity. So we can say x over 15 is equal to 8 over 20. Now you multiply by 15 on both sides to solve the equation. Times 15 here, times 15 here. Cancel 15 and 15. Then 8 times 15 divided by 20, and that is the answer. you find it, you write it on the space. Refer to the diagram. AKM is similar to ABC. What could the similarity constant be? Enter your answer in the form of fraction in lowest term. AKM is the small triangle. Ratio of similarity is dividing this side by this side, or if you want this side by this side, also this is possible. So let's divide any two corresponding sides and see. This side has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 7 over 9. Let's repeat again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 7 over 9, we write it here, and that is the lowest term. We cannot simplify it anymore. Similarity AKM to ABC. AKM to ABC. Okay. Next question. Two triangles drawn are similar. Which three letters in the correct order must be used to fill the blank? Letters should be in correct order. Clearly here, the right angle is P. So the middle will be P. And the angle on the side, on the big side, is PY. So Y corresponds to C, which means K corresponds to A. KPY. So this is KPY in that order. Because K corresponds to A and P corresponds to B, these are right angles, and Y corresponds to C. So this is the way we solve it. Next question. Refer to the diagram below. Rectangle OSTV was rotated onto rectangle WQTR. What's the center of rotation? Choose the correct option to find the center of rotation. So this rectangle OSTV is rotated to become this triangle, which means the rotation will be this way in an anti-clockwise direction. So this point will be here, this point will be rotating to here, this point will be rotating to here, and this point will be rotating to this point. Center of rotation is T, so the answer here is T. T is the center of rotation. Next question. What's the slope of the line? In order to know the slope, you have to rearrange the equation. So if you rearrange it, negative 3y is equal to negative 18x. So then you can divide by negative 3 all sides. By negative 3 here, negative 3 here, negative 3 here. So you get y is equal to negative 18 divided by 3, this is 6x, minus 8 over 3, write it as it is. So the slope is the number which is here, number next to x is the slope. Coefficient of x, 6. 6 is the slope. Which of the following figures is drawn with a line of symmetry? With a line of symmetry. First one, this is correct. This is line of symmetry. And this one it is line of symmetry. This is not line of symmetry. And here it's unclear, so let's leave it. The slope of the line is what? Now this line can be written y is equal to 49 divided by 7. If you divide by 7 both sides, if you divide both sides of the equation by 7 here and by 7 here, you get y equal 49 divided by 7 is 7. And A horizontal line has a slope of 0, so it's 0. Any line of the form y equal constant number, it has a 0 slope. Next one, what's the value of k in the slope if the slope of the line passing through the points is 0? Okay, we know that the formula for the slope, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you plug the information in the formula, k minus 8 divided by -1 minus 2, and we are given the question that this is 0. Now to solve it, we cross multiply here over 1. So if you cross multiply, you get k minus 8 equals 0, and this means k equal 8. So the answer is 8. Next question. What's the value of k if the point is a solution? We plug the point in the equation. 10 multiplied by 1 minus 3 times 1 equal k. 10 minus 3, 7, so k is 7. Next question. How many lines of symmetry does a square have? A square is like this, and this is line of symmetry, another one, third one, fourth one. So 4 lines of symmetry. On the coordinate plane, click at three points with integer coordinates that belong to the line y equal -2x. Select -1 and 1 and 1 more. Okay. So integer coordinates that belong to this line. We can select, for example, as we are told in the question, if you select -1 and then +1 and then, for example, 0 or 2, whatever. So this is x and this is y. So when you plug -1 in the equation, -1 in x here, -1 times -2 times -1, you get 2. And if you plug 1 in the x here also, -2 times 1, you get -2. And if you plug 2 in the equation here, -2 times 2, you get -4. So these are the coordinates, -1, 2, 1, -2, and 2, -4. What's the value of b? So let's plug the point in the equation and see what is b. Let's plug 5 for x. So 10 times 5 minus 2 times b is equal to 10. Now you solve it. Take 10 to the left, 2b to the right. Here you have 50 minus 10 is equal to 2b. 40 is equal to 2b. So b is 40 divided by 2, which is 20. The final answer is 20. Like this, we have solved all the questions. Hopefully, everything is understood. Thank you very much indeed.